Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I am going to show you that how you can add products to your TikTok shop. So if you don't have your own product and you want to sell and promote other sellers' product on TikTok, so how you're going to add it to your shop, watch this video till the end and let's find out. First thing you need to do is to go to your TikTok application. On your TikTok application, you need to tap on your profile. So once you tap on your profile, first, I will show you that how it looks once you add the product to your TikTok shop. So I will just tap on the showcase here. Just for example, I need to show you, and I added this one product here. If somebody buys it, I will get commission. So how you can add that? So I will go back to the profile. So guys, before we move, there is an eligibility criteria as well. You need to have at least 1,000 followers. You should be 18 years of age or plus, or you should have one video uploaded on your profile in the past 30 days. So if you meet all the criteria, you can apply for that one. Now, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the TikTok Studio. We need to add products now. From here, you need to tap on TikTok Shop for Creator. So guys, once you are here on this page, as you can see, you can go to the marketplace. Just tap on the marketplace here. And once you're here, there are categories that you can choose from, and the product categories, and you can choose from here. If not, just for the sake of the video, that how you can add a product, it is suppose these are all the products. As you can see, this is the price of the product, and this is you can earn if you promote this product on your profile and somebody buys it from your profile, so you can earn this much. So the currency here is in Thai baht because I'm living here. It depends on your region. You will see that if the TikTok shop is available in your country, so you can see the prices and your currency in your regions. So suppose I want to add a product like this one. So how I'm going to do it, just tap on the add button here, and as you can see, the product has been added to my TikTok shop. So I will go back just to show you that the product has been added. I will tap on the showcase. So guys, as you can see now, both the products are here. The one was that earlier I added, and this one I added just now. So now you can see the products are here. So if somebody from my profile visited my TikTok shop from here and they buy this product from here, so I will get commission. So guys, this is all it takes to add products to your TikTok shop. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.